Take a ride in the 2025 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, LED headlights, luggage rack. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.